Hello, everyone. I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. In this video, we practice English with real-life examples.
Easy English you can use every day. This lesson is simple and practical.
Perfect for everyday conversations. Let's talk about mornings.
Everyone has a morning routine.
Sharon, how do you wake up every day?
I use my phone alarm. I don't use a regular clock anymore.
Same here. I use a smartwatch. My smartwatch wakes me up every morning.
That's very convenient.
It tracks my steps all day.
So it helps you stay active.
I try to walk 10,000 steps.
That's a great goal.
If I sit too long, it vibrates.
It reminds you to move.
I like to walk in the morning.
Walking is very healthy.
My watch counts every step.
Technology saves effort. At home, I use smart technology.
It saves a lot of time.
I use smart lights at home.
You control them with your voice?
I just speak, and they turn on.
That's very useful. Technology makes life easier.
And more comfortable. Let's talk about smart homes.
Many people use them today. My house uses smart devices.
They make life easier. I control my home with my phone.
Everything is in one app. I use a robot vacuum cleaner.
It cleans while you relax. That saves time.
I schedule it from my phone.
Online shopping is very popular.
I use it every week. I buy groceries online.
They deliver to your door. It helps busy people a lot.
Especially families. I also use GPS apps.
They help you find places. GPS gives directions in real time.
It saves me from getting lost. Technology helps us communicate.
Especially with family. I use video calls often.
Me too. I talk to my family every week.
Distance feels smaller. Technology helps learning too.
Especially learning English. I use apps to practice English.
They help with listening and speaking. Technology supports daily life.
When we use it wisely, technology has many benefits.
But balance is important. We should use technology wisely.
Not all day. Taking breaks is healthy.
Very healthy. Technology should support life.
Not control it. Simple tools are often best.
Yes, simple and helpful. Let's review what we learned.
Quickly and clearly.
We talked about smart homes
And daily technology. We discussed health and routines.
and saving time. We practiced useful English
For real life, you can use these phrases today.
at home or at work. Practice a little every day.
Consistency helps. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's how you learn. We're here to help you.
Every step of the way. Thank you for watching.
We're glad you're here. Subscribe for more lessons.
New videos every week. Keep practicing your English.
I'm Sharon.
And I'm Ben. See you next time on Speak English Daily.